Hello kids, welcome to Fairy Tale Drawing. Hello, little fruit explorers. Get ready for a fruity adventure through the alphabet. Today, we're diving into the letters M, N, and O with some delicious fruits. Let's start the fun. First up is the letter M. M is for mango. Moving on to the letter N. N is for nectarine. Let's explore the letter O. O is for orange. Let's jump on fruits. M is for marvelous, just like our star fruit today, the mango. Can you say mango? Great job! N is for nectarine, and here's our nifty friend, the nectarine. It's like a peach, but a bit smoother. Can you say nectarine? Awesome! O is for orange. Just like our zesty friend, the orange. Can you say orange? Brilliant! Let's have color in alphabets and fruits. First alphabet is M. In this alphabet I am using sky blue color. Second alphabet is N. Alphabet we will use alizarin crimson. And the last alphabet is L. In I alphabet I am going to add light pink color. First fruit is mango. First things first, mangoes are like the kings and queens of fruits. They're known as the king of fruits because of their delicious taste and rich history. Mangoes come in different colors, yellow, orange, red, and even green. It's like a rainbow of happiness in the fruit world. Second fruit is nectarine. First things first, did you know that nectarines are like peaches but without the fuzz? They're smooth and shiny, making them the cool and stylish cousins in the fruit family. Nectarines come in various colors, yellow, orange, and even red. And last but not least fruit is orange. First things first, oranges are like little balls of sunshine. They're bright orange and packed with a burst of energy and goodness. When you take a bite into an orange, you're in for a treat. Look kids, we have completed our drawing very easy and quickly. Do you like today's drawing? Do more practice and learn new things with me. See you in the next video. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.